Hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Charo and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancerian Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising singles, yeah, singles. Okay, yeah. So this is a reading for singles, and yeah, keep in mind as this is journal reading, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed, honey. So let's start. And yeah, this is a reading from 25th of August till 30th of September. So it is a monthly reading. It is going to be a wide reading, huge length reading, I think. Not huge length, but yeah, it is going to be a very in-depth reading for you guys, singles. Yay! Let's start considering. So, your recent past energy regarding your love life was. Your recent past energy regarding love was. Cancerians, your recent past energy regarding love. Six of Cups. I feel like you were very in and out of a relationship. This is the Six of Cups energy. You were missing this person from past very much. And I feel like you guys keep on reconnecting, keep on, taking a break, then reconnecting, then taking a break. It is like a cycle that was repeated again and again and again. Although this is a card of nostalgia and missing somebody and somebody coming from the past to meet you, I feel like there was a reconnection between you guys. So you guys keep on separating, you guys keep on, connecting, then separating, then connecting. For most of you, it is the thing. Let's clarify the Six of Cups in your recent past energy. Let's clarify. God. Wait. I feel like you are very much connected to the past right now as well. It is kind of emotional bondage that you guys are having with each other. Let's clarify. Magician, the Judgment card, and the Queen of Wands. Yeah, so I feel like in the recent past, you were trying to manifest this person back in your life. You were trying to forgive them and forgive whatever happened in this connection with them and with you. And you were really passionate about this connection. You were really very passionate about this connection. You were looking forward, like, yeah, I need this person back in my life. I'm manifesting this person back in my life because we have lots of memories together and I can't let them go. I can't let them go. This is happening. So I feel like you gave this person hell lot of chances to improve or to do whatever is right, whatever is correct in their view as well, in your view as well, according to the relationship. So Cancerians, I feel like, yeah, you were so in and out of this connection and you were the one who keeps on forgiving the other person, but they were not understanding that. They were might be taking you for granted. Okay? Yep. Yeah. Cancerians, let's see what's your current energy regarding love. Your current energy regarding love is, let's see. Current energy regarding love. Two of Swords. So right now you are on the crossroads. This is the Two of Swords. Very conflicted. Very conflicted. On one hand, you want to give a chance to this connection to new, maybe to new love, or maybe to the past person. But I feel like you're still stuck on the past very much. So there's no new person as of now. Right now, I will check further. But yeah, you're on the crossroads. You're not able to decide actually. You are like blindfolded by your own thoughts mentally. The mind is playing mental games with you and you're conflicted, like you're on the crossroads. What should I do? Should I go that side? Should I go that side? Is that the right thing? Is that the right thing? It is this thing that you are right now experiencing. Let's clarify the Two of Swords in your current energy, in your love life, regarding your love life. Let's clarify. The Star could be dealing with an Aquarius here, Knight of Swords, and the Tower. My God, you were very hopeful. I feel like, see, I told you, you are on the crossroads. One time you're like very hopeful that and positive, like, yeah, everything is going to be fine. I'm just going to go to them and everything is going to be fine. The second thing is like, I just want to break up with them. I don't need this person back in my life because nothing is left in this connection. There is hope. There is this energy of like, yeah, I want to go back to them and talk to them. But again, boom, the tower moment is there. So it's like you are creating the whole story in your mind only. You are creating the whole story and the whole scenario in your mind only. I don't know if it is going to happen or not, but you have created hell lot of stories in your mind and you are going according to them only. You are feeling like, yeah, this is the right thing. Yeah, this is the right thing. this is how it is going to be. This is without even trying it, you are feeling like this. Yeah, this is the thing that's going to happen. So let it be. I will just, right now I will be just away from this situation. You are just trying to run from the situation basically. Yeah, Cancerians. Okay, let's see what the past person feels for you, the feelings for you. Let's see. Let's see. Nine of Wands. This person has created some kind of wall around them. They are deeply hurt but still hopeful. See, this person is deeply hurt, and they are like, now nothing is left in this connection between you and them, but they're hopeful, but they're positive, but they're still holding their ground, like, yeah, in the future everything is going to be fine. Although I'm deeply hurt, although I'm deeply sad and depressed right now, wounded, a wounded warrior right now, but yeah, I have the energy to change this thing to something beautiful and positive in the future. And this is clarified by the Emperor. You could be dealing with an Aries here. Six of Cups again, my God. And the Queen of Swords. So, it's very hot here. I want to tell you this. And the fan is like zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah. So, yeah. Your partner is feeling like they are just trying to focus on the present, trying very hard to focus on the present, but they are constantly going in the past, and they are acting off and cold and detached from you. They are like, no, I don't want you. But deep inside, this person is very, very depressed and wounded, and they are missing you very badly. Although they are making you feel like, yeah, they don't need you, and they are really good without you, and they are having a good life without you, they are taking the decision. They took some kind of decision, and they are just sticking to it. And I feel like this decision is not working out in their favor. This person is constantly missing you. They are constantly living in the past, living in the nostalgic phase of their life, but acting very rude, cold and off and detached. They are just like, I will cut you down if you are coming towards me. I am not going to listen to you. This is the story. This is what they are feeling right now. Right now, they are not at all ready to talk to anybody. They are not ready to, open up to anybody. They are just like cold, off, detached, and depressed from everyone right now, emotionally. Okay, cool. Let's see what is your energy regarding new love in your life, or if there is anybody new in your life right now. What's happening between you guys? Let's see. Okay. Sun could be dealing with a Leo here. I feel like you're really happy. I mean, I don't know what you are. I feel like there is somebody or someone who's making you really happy, or it might also be possible that you are doing some kind of work or project or something like that, that's making you really happy and busy as well. You are connecting with your inner child, and that's making you feel like, yeah, I'm relieved. I am living a stress free life. This is what I want from my life. But this is a very happy card. So it is the sun is the happiest card in the deck, and you are currently experiencing this card. So let's clarify. Might be your work life is really thriving, and you're feeling like, wow, I just want to do this throughout my life. I don't need any kind of emotional support or love or lover or anything like that. Or might be you just got a new friend or a new person in your life that's making you really happy. Nice. My God, see, sun is clarified by the sun. Damn, Cancerians, you are really happy about uh, someone or something in your life. Let's pull two more cards for you guys. Crossroads and Knight of Pentacles. So I feel like, because you have decided something, you took some kind of decision that I am not going to be on the crossroads anymore. Okay, and I will just take everything slow. I will live each day as it is coming to me, and that's making me really happy. The sun is clarified by the sun and the two of swords and the Knight of Pentacles. You are taking it really slow. So you are not in a hurry to be in a connection. You are not in a hurry to jump into someone's life, or to jump into a relationship just to rebound or something like that. You are taking it slow. You are taking it really slow. You are feeling like now finally you're realizing that your happiness lies within yourself, and you can take it slow. You can come out of this two crossroad situation gently and slowly, and you are just taking really, really, really slow baby steps, you can say, towards anyone new in your life. You are taking your time. You are enjoying your loneliness. Actually, you are enjoying this breakup thing, and this is making you feel like, I have lots of things to do in my life. I have to finish this as well. I have to finish that as well. After finishing all this shit, now Now whenever, like in the future, whenever I will be free, I will be like, yeah, now I want somebody in my life, then I will do that. Nice. Best of luck. Yeah. Let's see what is coming towards you till end of September. Let's see, Cancerians, what is coming towards you till the end of September. Let's see, honey. Page of Swords, tada! Some kind of clarity is coming towards you. I feel like there's somebody who is watching you over Facebook or Insta or some kind of social media things, and they are watching you and they are feeling like they should connect with you. I don't know if they're coming back or not, but yeah, they are definitely watching you, watching your pictures, watching what you're doing, and they are feeling kind of jealous as well because of that thing. They were like expecting you might be sulking somewhere and you might be not doing good in your life because of the things that happened in the past and blah blah blah, but you are doing the reverse and you're fucking happy, and I'm so happy that you're happy. Yay, Cancerians, good. Let's clarify. Page of Swords. Okay, Five of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. See, so you guys had a fight, you guys had a fallout, you can say, and this person is like feeling like you might not be able to come out of this battle or this conflict as quickly as you are doing, and that's why this person is feeling like you are making money, you are looking good, you are working on your projects, and you have started your life all over again, and you're victorious. You're doing something that's making you feel like, making them feel a little jealous about from you, and they're feeling like, how can you do that, how can you be so normal, how can you just fuck their mind and be normal in your life. Okay, so this is like some kind of conflicts going on in their mind, battle going on in their mind. They can see you thriving, they can see you making money and looking good, and working on your dreams, and they can see you thriving in your life. So what is coming towards you? Somebody is looking at your pictures, kind of spying on you, kind of following you, what you are doing, what you are up to, and all that. Otherwise, there is some kind of brand new beginning coming in your life regarding your business, job, or career, or something like that. Okay. You are coming out of a conflicting state of mind, you are coming out of a battle, you are coming out of a fight, you're making money, you are starting your life all over again. This is life 2.0 for you, Cancerians. That's a really really good news, and I am so happy for you guys. After so long, I can see a positive reading for Cancerians. So yeah, congratulations. So thank you so much, Cancerians, for tuning with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste. This is Anjali. ज़्यादा हो गया. Bye.